Okay, tara na't i-unbox na natin to. So, binili natin sa Salora. It's 5399 and that time may promo code siya. So, napababa natin ng 3896. Let's unbox. Di na kailangan na itong cutter. So, let's see. So, itong papel na to ay promo code siya from Salora. So next purchase natin, gamitin natin to para maka-discount pa rin tayo. And then this is the box. So it's KYRIE6 shutter shade. Let's check the shoes. And chiding. Okay, as expected. Napaka ganda. And ito, glows in the dark. With the colorway of green, light green and yellow. So let's see yung strap niya, lacing system ito. With tongue branding, may Kyrie logo. Okay. Then outsole, and this is the adjustable strap. So malaking tulong yan for lock-in. Okay, itong isa naman it's same, and usually ang forefoot niya mesh yung mesh materials. So yung outer sole niya is napaka rounded, so more on concentrate on tractions. So napakaganda nun. Okay, check natin yung side ng box. Ayan yung Kyrie logo, Nike, different colors din, and ito yung size ng shoes. So 9.5, which is my size, 9.5. and so mamaya susukatin natin. So this is the outsole, very rounded, and look at the design, no? Yung high accent design and signature ni Kyrie curving. Even in this glow in the dark heel niya, andun pa rin yung eye design. Okay. Okay, so suotin na natin tong KYRIE6. And kita nyo naman, mabilis lang siyang luwagan kasi yung lacing system niya is medyo malawak. Also with the help of adjustable strap. So mahihigpitan siya para ma-lock in yung sapatos o yung paa mo sa sapatos. So matetest natin to, we do couple of drills, runs, saka playing with the ball. So traction on these shoes is so awesome. Even you make some lateral movement in all direction, damang-dama mo yung kakapit ng sapatos sa ground. Then cushioning, these shoes have a Nike Zoom Turbo, so it has a great bounce with nice and smooth transition whatever movement ang gagawin mo. KYRIE6 rounded edges have a big impact in terms of score system. So once you attempt some high or low layup, dunks, and even medium range shooting, maganda yung salo ng sapatos pag landed mo sa ground. And once you attack the rim, locked out on your feet is so excellent. It felt reliable whether you're changing speed or directions, cutting or even running on the floor. So damang-dama mo yung yung cord with the impact protection. It's so solid. So ito, papakita natin yung glows in the dark ng KYRIE6 shutter shade. Yan, ganda. Okay, yung swoosh niya also very delightful. So may blue yung lining niya and nag-iiba-iba yung kulay. Overall, the KYRIE6 is a leveled up improvements. So in all KYRIE signature, I think this one nag-focus talaga sila sa comfort, control and energy return. And I think the only downside of these shoes is it may not fit your normal size. But in my case, once I played it for a couple of drills and shooting, it went okay naman. But I suggest some of you may need going up half a size to find your perfect fit. I gave a rate of 9.5. So till next sapatusan, this is the Curse of Imelda. Thank you for watching.